afternoon and welcome to baseball at the Federal Landmark Wrigley Field. This is the voice of Wrigley Field, Jeremiah Paprocki. And at this time, I ask for your attention, please, as we get set to meet the starting lineups for this afternoon's contest. First for the visiting Seattle Mariners, management number 6, Dan Wilson. Leading off for the Mariners, playing shortstop, number 3, J.P. Crawford. Hitting second in center field, number 44, Julio Rodriguez. Batting third, catching for Seattle, number 29, Cal Raleigh. Hitting cleanup, designated hitter number 7, Jorge Polanco. Batting fifth in left field, number 56, Randy Arozarena. Batting sixth, flying in right field, number 20, Luke Raley. Hitting seventh, first baseman, number 39, Donovan Solano. Hitting eighth, at second base, number 2, Cole Young. Batting ninth, third baseman, number 9, Ben Williamson. And pitching this afternoon's ball game for the Mariners, right-hander number 26, Emerson Hancock.
Attention, please. Have your pencil and scorecards ready. And I'll give you the correct lineup for today's ball game.
And now the starting lineup for manager Craig Counsell's Chicago Cubs. Leading off and playing in left field, number 8, Ian Happ. Hitting second and playing in right field, number 30, Kyle Tucker. Batting third, designated hitter number 27, Seiya Suzuki. Hitting cleanup in center field, number 4, Pete Crow Armstrong. Hitting fifth, the shortstop, number 7, Dansby Swanson. Batting sixth, first baseman, number 29, Michael Busch. Batting seventh, catching for the Cubs, number 15, Carson Kelly. Hitting eighth, playing in second base, number 2, Nico Horner. Batting ninth at third base, number 17, Vidal Brujan. And pitching this afternoon's ball game for the Cubs, right-hander number 22, Cade Horton.